Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to disable location-based personalization on the X app. This quick setting adjustment will help you take more control over your privacy and eliminate those tailored suggestions that are influenced by where you've been. So, let's get started step by step. First, open the X app on your device. Once it's open, look towards the top of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will give you access to your account options and all of the important settings you can customize. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section is where you'll find all of the controls that help you manage your account security, safety, and privacy preferences. Next, select Privacy and Safety. This menu contains a variety of tools that let you decide how much information you want to share, as well as how your content and activity are used within the app. Within Privacy and Safety, go ahead and tap on Location Information. This is the specific section that controls how your location data is used. Now, here's the most important part. You'll see an option called Personalize based on places you've been. Simply toggle this setting off. By doing so, the app will no longer customize your experience based on the locations you visit. That's it. Your changes are saved automatically, and you've successfully disabled location-based personalization. Making this adjustment means you'll still be able to use the app normally, but your activity won't be influenced by where you've gone in the real world. Taking a moment to review your privacy settings is always worth it. Even small changes like this can give you more confidence and peace of mind when using social platforms. And if at any point you want to re-enable location-based personalization, you can always go back into the same settings and toggle it back on. So, you're all set. You've just taken another step toward creating a safer, more private space for yourself online.